So, good morning. How are you?
I am fine, man. Thank you for asking. And what about me?
Same here. I'm also good. Thank you for asking. So, how is your morning going so far?
It's pleasant, ma'am. It's very good morning for me. Uh, and here is also a holiday uh, due to Ganesh Chaturthi.
Extremely sorry. Actually, there is a network issue here from my side. That is why. So, yes, you can start your introduction now. Yes.
My name is Satyam Yadav. I am from UP, but currently staying in Vadodara during the job. And if I talk about my basic education diploma, I have done a diploma in 2019, and apart from and I have learned new technology like Cisco networking course, the CCNA. I have a 3 month go for Bangalore location. So currently I am working as a network engineer at a IT company, Meridian Infotech Limited, in Vadodara location.
Okay, that's
That's
nice.
all.
Okay, that's nice. So, let me introduce myself.
Yes, of course, ma'am.
Yes. So, my name is Beena Negi. I hail from a beautiful state, Uttarakhand. I
Yes,
am a postgraduate and nowadays I'm looking for a job. That is why I'm improving my communication and English speaking skills. And my hobbies are reading and cooking. Apart from that, I love dancing too. I love the contemporary form of dancing, and in future, once I'll get a chance, I will learn that too. And yes, these days I'm very passionate about English language and I'm enjoying to learn this language and listening or watching English content more and more. So that's a bit about me. Thank you.
yes, same here. Also, ma'am, uh, I have motivated to other person who's better communicate in English fluent, and apart from this field is mandatory to English language fluent.
Right.
Because I am dealing with a foreigner with client, so necessary this language is aware to English spoken mandatory in this field.
Right, right. I think English is nowadays English is mandatory for all the fields because it is a global language. If you want to even talk to someone who doesn't know your native language, so you should learn this language for that too. So yes, it's good to learn this language and give more possibilities to your career after learning this language. Yes. So when did you started learning this language?
Last 2 week
Oh wow. So how many conversation you made till now?
I watch YouTube platform to many YouTuber like Rajni ma'am and Karishma ma'am and also Ram sir, and lot of YouTuber and a lot of many things watch like podcast and especially news anchor like something.
Right. Okay, wow. So do you read too? Do you
Yes,
like
ma'am.
to read too?
Yes,
Okay.
read, speak, and watch.
Okay. So what kind of books you are reading right now these days?
Some story type books I watch and read.
Right, right. Nice. As we are beginners, so yes, it's good to go with storybooks first because it's easy to learn and understand too. Yes. And read too. So yes. So what kind of content you watch on YouTube means apart from these conversational videos and these podcasts, do you also watch stories because I enjoy watching stories, short stories.
Yes, of course, ma'am. I am also watch some kind of story like Chota Bhim, and apart from some politics videos.
Okay, because there are so many animation channels on YouTube. They post short stories like 5 minute story or 8 minute stories.
In the
Yes,
story, yes.
normal stories they post there, and I like to watch them because they are easy to understand. We can easily understand them, and sometimes we can shadow them too. Yes. So I think, yes, for beginners, it's good to watch those
Yes.
kind of stories. So tell me
Beginner
something
level,
about, yes, yes, go
yes,
ahead.
ma'am. Beginner level is also very good for some 5 minute easy method to watch videos
Right.
English spoken.
Right, right. Because podcast is, I think, for advanced speakers.
Yes,
Means
ma'am.
someone who is able to read or write or understand easily, and they are just getting difficulty in speaking. So for those people, I think podcasts are good. But as we are beginners, so we should watch stories too. We should focus on that stories too. Or sometimes we can do things like we can narrate things, whatever we are doing. Like we are talking right now. We can narrate this too. We are talking and we are walking somewhere. So you can say that I'm walking or I'm going for an evening walk or something like that. I think that helps because initially I started by doing these things only. Whatever I used to do, I try to narrate those things. Whenever I used to do something in my kitchen, I used to narrate those things. Like I'm washing the dishes, sometimes I'm washing the clothes, I'm cooking something vegetables, or I'm making chapatis, I'm preparing tea, like this. After when we are able to communicate or make these kind of sentences, after that, yes, gradually we will able to make big sentences too. I think so. Because I started like this only, and it can help us,
Yes,
right?
yes, ma'am. Right, ma'am.
Right, right. And we can learn basic vocabulary too, basic things, no?
Yes, ma'am. Basic things is beginner level is most effective.
Yes, because people say that
So
we should learn advanced vocabulary, we should use those vocabulary, but I don't believe in that. Because as we are beginner, first we should make ourselves like this that we are able to communicate our things to others and that other person will able to understand us. This is our prior motto right now. After that, when we'll achieve fluency in that, after that, yes, we can go for advanced vocabulary, advanced idioms, phrases, but that is the next level. First we should cross this level, the first level, right?
yes, ma'am.
Right,
Yes, ma'am. If if my opinion, I am no compare anyone.
right,
You better than, yeah, me better than. What's my level? What's my uh, what kind of my speak fluently or not fluently? But it's not compare anyone. I am
right,
speak a step by step.
right,
First beginner level cross, then medium level, then advanced level. So first
right,
beginner level.
right.
So you
Yes,
should
should
watch
be confident.
step by step.
Yes, we should be confident enough and we should understand this thing. Yes, that it's obvious to mistake. No one is perfect. In the beginning, everyone makes mistake. No one is
Yes,
perfect by birth. Everyone started with this level only, and after that, they achieve the fluency or the level as they are right now. Yes.
yes,
So
yes,
tell me something about your family.
yes. I am a family is very good at that time.
Okay. So how many members in your family? Like think like you are just a kid and you are sitting in the examination hall and your teacher gave you an essay to write on family. So narrate these things like that only. Means, and earlier we used to write something like there are five members in my family, my mother, father, brother, like this only.
In my family is a six member, mother, father, brother, and sister, and brother-in-law.
Okay. So do you live with them here or you live alone here?
No, ma'am, I am living alone here,
Okay. So where do your family lives?
hometown.
Where is your hometown?
So, UP, ma'am, Uttar Pradesh.
Okay. Okay. In UP.
Yes,
Nice.
ma'am.
Nice. So when did you visit last in your hometown?
Last April.
Okay. April.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. That's nice. So
Ma'am,
as you
thank you.
are from okay, as you are from UP, so what
Yes,
is
ma'am.
the famous food in UP? Food.
Can you repeat again, ma'am? I don't know what to say.
I'm saying that as you are saying that your hometown is UP, Uttar Pradesh.
Yes,
Okay. So what is the
yes.
famous food there, which people often eat?
I don't know, ma'am. I don't anywhere.
Okay. So
I,
what do you guys,
I'm
your
also
family
introvert.
usually?
Yes, ma'am. Why is not?
Okay. Okay, no problem.
Can you repeat again?
Actually, I was just asking that what do you guys eat usually in your hometown? Means, is there anything special which you eat? Means, once I talked with a girl, she was also from UP, and she told me that I think chole puri or something is famous in UP. She told me, I think she was from UP.
No, no, I don't know. It's
Okay, okay, no problem. As I am from Uttarakhand,
usually,
so
uh,
yes,
usually make a food and dal, chawal, roti, sabji usually daily basis. And
okay.
yes, that's it.
I think we have talked a lot, so we should wrap up this session here only.
Yes.
And yes, in future we will talk again
Again,
once
yes, ma'am.
you will, yes, and we'll see each other's progress as I'm also a beginner. So yes,
Yes, ma'am. I am also beginner. I have a 2 week to start the communication skill.
yes, yes. So
And
yes,
also,
we both have to focus in our on our skills.
consistent. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. So thank you. Nice to meeting you. And
Yes, ma'am.
yes, thank you. Thank you again to join me.
Yes, ma'am.